Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how I make my easy and delicious lemon pepper wings. Excuse me if I sound like this, I'm just getting over a cold. Okay, so for the butter mixture, you're going to need 4 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon of onion powder, half teaspoon of garlic powder, the zest from 1 lemon, and don't skip this part. This is going to make your wings so good, so make sure you zest your lemon. And then you're going to add the juice from your lemon. As always, the exact measurements will be in the description box below for you. Mix everything together. I like to go ahead and make this and then just set it aside for when I'm ready for it. I always like to taste it to make sure it's good, but that's when I realized I forgot to put my salt, so you're going to need half teaspoon of salt. Okay, for the wings, I'm using 6 chicken wings, and I went ahead and cleaned them and washed them and cut them in 3 pieces. To that, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of seasoned salt. Give that a mix to get everything nice and coated with the seasoning. To coat the wings, I'm using half cup of white all-purpose flour. I'm just gonna put them in a bag and shake them really well. I like to put a few in there and then shake the bag, just because I want to make sure everything is nice and coated. I'm putting in half of the amount I have in the bag. Let them fry for 10 minutes and then turn them halfway through. I'm just going to repeat the process. Okay, now I'm going to take my butter mixture and pour it all over the wings. I like to use my tongs to get it going, and then I'm going to toss them. You just want to make sure everything is nice and coated. Oh my gosh, my mouth is watering just looking at this right now. You'll want to do this when the wings are hot, right when you take them out of the fryer. That way the butter could coat them really well. Look at them, look how perfect they are, and they taste just as good. Once you start making your own lemon pepper wings at home, you'll never buy lemon pepper wings again, I'm telling you. These were just so good, so I hope you give this recipe a try. I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.